Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the trailer of Rocketry, The NAMBI Effect. Rocketry, The NAMBI Effect is a 2022 Indian biographical drama film based on the file of NAMBI Narayanan, a former scientist and aerospace engineer of the Indian Space Research Organization who was accused in the ISRO espionage case and later exonerated. The film is written, produced and directed by R. Madhavan, who also plays the lead role. The story spans across Narayanan's days as a graduate student at Princeton University before exploring his work as a scientist and the false espionage charges placed upon him. Rocketry, The NAMBI Effect, directed by R. Madhavan, written by R. Madhavan, produced by Sarita Madhavan, R. Madhavan, Varghese Moolan, Vijay Moolan, starring R. Madhavan, Simran, Rajit Kapoor, Ravi Raghavindra. Music by Sam C.S. Production companies Tricolor Films, Varghese Moolan Pictures, 27th Entertainment. Distributed by UFO Movies, Red Giant Movies, Yash Raj Films, Fars Film Co. Release dates 19 May 2022, Cairns, 1 July 2022, India. Running time 157 minutes. Country India. Languages English, Tamil, Hindi. Box office 4 crore in 2 days. After its official announcement in October 2018, principal photography took place across several countries including India, Russia and France. The cinematography and editing for the film were handled by Sirsha Ray and Biljit Wala respectively, whilst the original score is composed by Sam C.S. Filmed simultaneously in English, Tamil and Hindi. It premiered at the Cannes Film Festival on 19 May 2022 and was theatrically released along with a dubbed Telugu version on 1st July 2022. Premised during 1960s, rocket engineer NAMBI Narayanan, originally from Tamil Nadu, lives with his wife and 3 children in Trivandrum. He works as a technical assistant in the team headed by Vikram Sarabhai, Rajit Kapoor at the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station in Trivandrum. Plot: during the present time, in an interview with Shah Rukh Khan, Surya through a television channel, NAMBI walks through the events leading to his rise as an eminent engineer to an alleged espionage charges, physical and mental cruelty against him. NAMBI starts with his experiences at the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, where he saves APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the team members, from a major injury during an experiment. In 1969, he gets accepted into Princeton University in USA. At Princeton, NAMBI successfully completes his MSc program in chemical rocket propulsion under Professor Ligi Croco, Vincent Riota, who recommends him for NASA fellowship. However, after a brief stint at NASA with Barry Amaldev, Sriram Parthasarthi, NAMBI returns to India. Production development: a film based on the espionage case of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Scientist NAMBI Narayanan was first announced to the media in September 2012 by director Anant Mahadevan. Journalist C.P. Surendran had proposed the idea for a potential film on Narayanan to Mahadevan during June 2012. The two then met Narayanan in person to discuss the idea and seek his permission, and he agreed to serve as a consultant for the project. Malayalam actor Mohan Lal was cast in the role of Narayanan, while Rachel Pukkuti, Srikar Prasad and L. Subramaniam were finalized as the sound designer, editor and music composer for the project. Titled The Witch Hunt, the film was to be made in the Hindi and Malayalam languages. The team were in talks with several production houses, but the project eventually did not take off as planned. Mahadevan later narrated the idea of the film to actor R. Madhavan in the mid-2010s, who helped take the film forward. Work on Rocketry, The NAMBI Effect, was first reported by Madhavan in the media during April 2017 when he announced that he was set to appear in a biopic featuring the extraordinary story of an unsung hero who was neither an actor nor a sportsman. He called the project his biggest film ever and stated that he had worked silently on the script of the film for a period of 2 years after after becoming intrigued by hearing the tale of Narayanan's false espionage charge to develop the script and to provide a more factual account of the events. Madhavan regularly met with Narayanan, garnering his approval for the film and discussing the scientist's life experiences. As a result of their conversations, Madhavan chose to alter his original script to include portions from Narayanan's entire career and his services to the Indian space program, rather than just matters related to the espionage case and his 1994 arrest. For the script, he also took inspiration from Narayanan's autobiography, Aur Makalod Brahman Napadam 2017, and Arun Ram's official biography of the scientist titled Ready to Fire, How India and I Survived the ISRO Spy Case 2018. In October 2017, Madhavan confirmed that pre-production work for the film was underway and that he would portray Narayanan from the ages of 27 to 75 and that he was gaining weight to film the scenes featuring the older version of Narayanan first. After taking advice from Amir Khan, Madhavan also announced that alongside his screenwriting and acting credits, he would also be one of the producers of the project. In regard to the making of the film, Madhavan stated that he hoped to differ in the script in comparison to other biographical films and suggested that he would not call the film a biopic but an incisive investigation into a brilliant mind and India's ambitious space technology. He also added that he felt that Madhavan was the only qualified to do this part owing to his background as an electronic engineer with Air Force training and because he was a thinking actor who is also well read. Madhavan was later announced as a joint director of the film. Filming principal photography began on 4 January 2019 in Mumbai and was shot as a multilingual with scenes simultaneously filmed in the English, Hindi and Tamil languages. A few days after the start of the shoot, Madhavan left the project owing to prior commitments and Madhavan took over as the project's sole director. Film director and writer Prajesh Sen, who had previously co-written Aur Makalod Brahman Napadam and worked on a documentary titled Nambi the Scientist, joined the project as a co-director. Sukhmani Sadana worked on the film as an additional screenplay and dialogues writer. Scenes featuring Madhavan as the aged Narayanan were filmed first, with the actor taking up to 14 hours to get into the look following extensive makeup. During the first schedule in India, Simran joined the film's cast to portray the wife of the lead character, while actors Surya and Shah Rukh Khan agreed to make cameo appearances in the Tamil and Hindi versions, respectively, as themselves. Both of the actors did not charge a fee for their participation in the film. Other actors who joined the cast during the production were Tamil actor Jagan to portray a scientist, Rajit Kapoor to feature as Indian psychist Vikram Sarabhai in the Hindi and English versions, as Ravi Raghavendra as Vikram Sarabhai in the Tamil version. In late January 2019, the team moved to film scenes in Georgia and Russia. The team completed the shoot 5 days prior to the schedule, despite shooting in unfavorable weather conditions. In April and May 2019, the team shot scenes in India with Madhavan shaving his beard to play a younger version of the character. The team subsequently moved on to film the final schedule in France and Serbia. Production was completed in Serbia during June 2019 with Scottish actors Ron Donchi and Phyllis Logan also a part of the final schedule. The shoot of the film took 44 days to complete. Post-production began in July 2019 with music composer Sam C.S. completing the background score by mid-October 2019. In August 2020, Madhavan revealed that the film had reached the final stages of post-production work and that only 15 days of work were remaining to complete final sound mixing, mastering and digital intermediate. Release in September 2021 following the announcement of theatres reopening in Maharashtra after COVID-related closures. Madhavan announced that the film would be theatrically released on 1st April 2022 in 6 languages: English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. However, in February 2022, the release was postponed to the current July 2022 date. Rocketry The Nambi was finally theatrically released on 1st July 2022. The film was distributed worldwide by Yash Raj Films and Fars Mars Film Co. with UFO Movies additionally acquiring the film's distribution rights in North India. The film's Tamil version was distributed by Udayanidhi Stalin's Red Giant Movies in Tamil Nadu and AGS Cinemas joining as the official multiplex partner. The digital distribution rights were purchased by Amazon Prime Video.